building. It's been a minute, tell me how you're feeling. Cause I'm about to get into my feelings. How you feeling? How you feel right now? I've been so down and under pressure. I'm way too fine to be distressed, yeah. I'm not the girl I was or used to be. I might be better. Turn up the music. Turn down the lights. Feeling I'm gonna be alright, okay. Damn time. Turn up the music. Let's celebrate. I got a feeling I'm gonna be okay, okay. Alright. It's about damn time. In a minute, I'ma need a sentimental man or woman to pump me up. Feeling fussy. He's trying to bring out the fabulous. Cause I give a fuck, way too much. I'ma need like 2 shots in my cup. Wanna get up, wanna get down. That's how I feel right now. Oh, been so down and under pressure. I'm way too fine to be distressed, yeah. Oh, not the girl I was or used to be. But I might be better. Music, turn down the lights. I got a feeling I'm gonna be alright, okay. Alright, it's about damn time. Turn up the music, let's celebrate. I got a feeling I'm gonna be okay. Alright, it's about damn time. Cause you know what time it is. I'm coming out tonight. 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 Okay. Alright. It's about damn time. I'm coming out tonight. 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 Okay. Alright. It's about damn time. Yeah. It's about damn time. 99.7 now. I don't know what you've been told, but time is running out. No need to take a stroll. I'm stepping to you toe to toe. I should be scared, honey, maybe so, but I ain't worried about it right now. Keep them dreams alive. 1999 heroes. I ain't worried about it right now. Swimming in the floods, dancing on the path, you know. I ain't worried about it.
Big Bay Mornings.
Get ready, bam-a-lam, whoa, get ready, bam-a-lam, whoa, get ready, bam-a-lam, get ready to ride. As we ride into a Wednesday. Good morning, Bay Area. Have you heard of unschooling? So, I'm going to read you the definition according to Wikipedia. Unschooling is an informal learning that advocates a learner chosen, meaning the child, activities as primary means for learning. Unschoolers learn through natural life experiences, including play, household responsibilities, personal interests, internships, and work experience. So you don't attend a school, but it's not necessarily homeschooling in the true sense of the word.
And you don't follow a normal school curriculum. I first heard of this because my trainer told me this is what he is doing with his 2 children.
I don't know how I feel about this. And I know there's going to be people on both sides, and we encourage you to text and call with your thoughts on unschooling. While I totally think all of those things that I listed are very important, especially encouraging your child to follow their dreams and passions. I think that's great, but I believe my child needs or needed English class, basic math skills.
Like a baseline.
Yeah, maybe not geometry. All right, cool. But you gotta know basic math.
I think that this is based on sort of that, because when my trainer was explaining it to me, I mainly thought of you, Benny, because you knew what you wanted to do so early in life, and I know you went to a different school to learn radio than you did for your regular classes, so didn't you go like half a day in high school and then half a day to that or something like that?
So the other high school in my district had a radio class.
Oh.
My normal stuff, classes at one high school, and then go to this other high school afterwards to do their radio
So
class.
you dictated your learning based on what you were interested in, and that's kind of what Brandon was explaining to me. He was like, I'm going to let, at least when my kid, he said we'll eventually send them to a more formal class. While they're young, preschool, maybe even kindergarten, their interests dictate their learning.
This makes me think of performing arts schools, which I really didn't know much about until I was older, that this was even an option, that these kids are going to these schools, they have their basic math, English, and whatever, but they're also learning about entertainment, theater, movies, films, all these subjects that aren't offered anywhere else, because they know that's the field they want to go into. Now, my nieces are into that, and I think that it's exciting because they have more opportunities to learn about a space they might want, but test things out. It's kind of like, yeah, I want to get into, yeah, I love being in plays, but so it's not necessarily just one thing. It's like, here's this world, maybe you can find something you like within it.
Just texted in, who does unschooling with her 6 and 9-year-old, and she says that, well, I educate my kids year round. There's no summer break. Yeah, I believe learning doesn't just happen in a classroom during school hours. It can and does happen everywhere. But I don't know, man. Could you do it as a parent? Would you do it? Are you doing it?
Isn't one of the reasons to send your kids to school to get rid of them for a little while?
And there's that.
So you can do what you want? So you're fully dedicated and committed to your children to do this. I think a lot of people, they look at it out or whatever. I think it's the opposite. You're really committing.
A lot of texts already rolling in from not only parents, but teachers are chiming in as well. So we'll take a quick break. When we come back, we'll continue the conversation of unschooling.
The spell is cast. Halloween time is back at the Disneyland Resort.
And 99.7 now has your chance to experience the magic.
Happy Hauntings are returning to both Disney Adventure Park and Disneyland Park.
Fiendish family fun happening now through October 31st.
And you won't want to miss the Spellabration.
Visit 997now.com to see how you can win 2-day, 1 park per day Disneyland Resort tickets.
Offering subject to capacity, restrictions, and change without notice.
Swedish House Mafia presents Paradise Again, North American Tour 2022. The iconic trio, Axwell, Sebastian Ingrosso, and Steve Angelo, Swedish House Mafia. Live in concert, Chase Center, Friday, September 16th, and due to demand, second show added Saturday, September 17th, with special guests, Sue, Vintage Culture, and DJ Holographic. Guests vary per night. Get tickets now at Ticketmaster.com.
If someone offered you a free dinner, would you take it?
I think so.
What about free sunglasses?
Definitely.
Okay, how about a free checking account?
Free checking? Yeah, sure.
offering free checking.
Well, what about the free
That was just an example.
dinner?
Well, what if I offered you free dinner?
Are you asking me out?
Do you want me to ask you out?
Get free. Go to star1.org. Come get the star treatment at Star One.
To thrive, they need to be smart, efficient, agile, staying ahead of the market at every turn, and finding ways to do more with less. That's never been more important than it is right now. So for a limited time, Comcast Business is introducing Small Business Savings, a deal for companies across the country. When you call now, you can get powerful internet for just $39 a month for 12 months. $39 a month, with no annual contract and a money-back guarantee. All on the largest, fastest, reliable network for small businesses, with the company that powers more businesses than anyone else. So if you're a small business owner, don't wait. Call and get started today. Comcast Business, powering possibilities.
Offer ends 9/21/22. Restrictions apply. New Comcast Business 50 megabits per second internet customers only. Requires EcoBill and taxes and fees extra and subject to change. Call or go online for details. After promo, regular rates apply. Prime members, save on high-quality seafood at Whole Foods Market. Enjoy 20% off sustainable wild-caught fresh coho salmon fillets through September 20th. While supplies last. Shop now, in-store or online. Terms apply.
Good morning, Bay Area. It's Fernando. Thanks to Big Bay Morning for giving me a few seconds here to remind you after 10 a.m. I'll customize the playlist for you, and I'm the guy with the hookups, too. This week, it's Swedish House Mafia tickets. Talk to you right after Big Bay Mornings. It's Fernando on 99.7 now.
Okay, you know those amazing spots only the true San Francisco locals are in on? That place with the square pizzas? Or the spot for sweet and sour chicken.
Order up.
You know, with the ranch dressing. And all the other spots the real SF locals know without us even saying them. Yeah, they're on DoorDash. San Francisco gets it. DoorDash has it.
Moments like watching my grandson steal second mean a lot to me. But after being diagnosed with metastatic breast cancer, or which is breast cancer that is spread to other parts of the body, they mean even more. I take Ibrance, palbociclib.
An aromatase inhibitor is for postmenopausal women or for men with HR-positive HER2-negative NBC as the first hormonal-based therapy. Ask your doctor about Ibrance and visit Ibrance.com. Ibrance may cause low white blood cell counts that may lead to serious infections. Ibrance may cause severe inflammation of the lungs. Both of these can lead to death. Tell your doctor right away if you have new or worsening symptoms, including trouble breathing, shortness of breath, cough, or chest pain. Before taking Ibrance, tell your doctor if you have fever, chills, or other signs infection, liver or kidney problems, are or plan to become pregnant, or are breastfeeding. Common side effects include low red blood cell and low platelet counts, infections, tiredness, nausea, sore mouth, abnormalities in liver blood tests, diarrhea, hair thinning or loss, vomiting, rash, and loss of appetite.
Serious accidents anytime to anyone. If you're ever hurt in an accident out there on the road, Sweet James Accident Attorneys can help you get the medical care you need and the compensation you deserve. Don't pay a dime until they win your case. Call them at 800-500-5200 or visit sweetjames.com.
As a master jeweler at Shane Company, I take pride in my work. Every time I set a diamond into an engagement ring, I think about what this ring means to the couple, how it symbolizes their connection for the future. At Shane Company, our rings have stronger prongs to secure the center stone. There's more gold in the structure of the rings, and the quality shows. Every day in the jeweler workshop is different because every couple has a unique way of personalizing their engagement ring. Instead of a round diamond for the center stone,
Amazing.